Hello again everyone, this is me, Sir Alan. And for today's discussion we have expressions and polynomials and the kinds of polynomials. Before we proceed sa ating discussion guys, so kung bago ka lang dito sa YouTube channel ko, huwag mo kalimutang subscribe and hit the subscribe button below, dyan sa baba. And huwag na rin po kalimutan na i-click yung notification bell para updated po tayo sa ating mga video tutorials. Okay, so huwag natin patatagal pa, so let's go over with our topic. Polynomial is an algebraic expression whose term is a constant, a variable, a product or quotient of a constants and variables. So polynomials daw guys, isang algebraic expression kung saan meron siya constant na term is constant, meron siyang variable, pwede siyang product, pwede siyang multiplication, pwede rin siyang quotient ng mga constant at variables. So examples I have here, 5, 4x, 5xy. So, laging nasasaad dyan yung constant at yung variable, no? So, laging nababanggit dyan. So, yung sinasabing constant natin, guys, is yung the number on its own. Ito yun. Numero siya na walang ibang kasama. So, that is constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. As long as it is a number of its own. So, constant yun. Yung pag sinabi natin variable, guys, so variable, yun yung mga letters na nagagamit natin sa ating expression. So for example, sa 4x natin, yung x natin dyan yung tinatawag na variable. So yun yung tinatawag na variable natin guys, no? Ayun na sundan. Yung kabuuang tawag dyan sa 4x, yung kabuuang tawag natin sa 4x is the term. So term yung tawag natin dyan. Isang term yung 4x, kung saan yung variable natin ay iyong x. Okay? So, anong tawag natin dyan sa 4? Yung 4 natin dyan is yung tinatawag na, yan yung tinatawag na coefficient. Coefficient. The numerical coefficient. Kasi pag magkakasama yung letter at saka yung isang numero, coefficient nila yung isa't isa. Yung 4 is the numerical coefficient of x, and yung x naman is the literal coefficient of 4. So, coefficient yung tawag sa isa't isang yan na magkakasama, okay? Another example is 5xy. So, your 5 there is your coefficient of xy. Yung xy naman dito, yun yung variables natin. So, yun yung mga letters. Yung kabuuang tawag nito sa 5xy, itong 5xy is term. So, isang term sa kabuuan yung 5xy. Okay? So, patuloy tayo guys, no? An algebraic expression is not a polynomial if hindi daw polynomial ang isang algebraic expression kapag una, exponent of variable is not a whole number. Yung exponent daw ng variable is hindi siya buong numero. Example, yung ganito, 2x raised to 1/2. Hindi siya buong numero. So therefore, that is not an algebraic expression. Number 2, the variable is inside the radical sign. Yung variable daw nasa radical sign, hindi siya polynomial. So example, square root of x and y. So, hindi siya polynomial kapag nasa loob daw ng isang radical sign ang variable. Yung variables natin, yun yung mga letters na ginagamit natin, okay? And lastly, there is variable in denominator. So, may variable daw sa ilalim or the denominator. So, example, 2 over So yan guys, meron siyang variable sa denominator, 2 over 3y. So hindi siya polynomial. Okay, so proceed naman tayo ngayon sa kinds of polynomial according to number of terms. So meron tayong 4 na klase ng polynomial. So una is the monomial. Monomial consists of only one term. So isang term lang meron sa monomial. Walang operations na involved. Isa lang. So example is 4x. 4x is one term. So therefore, that is a monomial. Example, 3xy. So 3xy is also one term. Isang term, walang operations na involved. So therefore, monomial siya. 2a. 2a is an example of a monomial kasi isang term lang din meron siya. Okay? So I hope klaro guys. Now, isang term, monomial. Number 2 is the binomial. Consists of 2 terms only. So merong dalawang terms na involved. So therefore, example dyan, gagamitin natin yung nasa taas, no? 4x plus 2a. So, dalawang terms meron siya. So, therefore, this is a binomial. Dalawang term na meron siya. A plus 5. So, a is a term and 5 is a term. So, dalawang term meron siya. Involves operation, which is addition. So, that is a binomial. N squared minus 2. N squared minus 2 is a binomial. Bakit? Meron siyang dalawang terms. Okay? Very good. Number 3. Trinomial. Consists of 3 terms only. So, meron naman siyang 3 terms. Example, meron siyang tatlong terms. So, therefore, A plus B plus 5 plus 2x. This is an example of trinomial. A plus 5 plus 2x. Either addition, multiplication, or division, basta meron siyang 3 terms, gaya na to, so that is a trinomial. Okay? (3x cubed plus 2xy plus 1) is also a trinomial. Bakit? Meron siyang tatlong terms. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so meron siyang tatlong terms. And lastly, number 4, the multinomial or multinomial contains of at least 4 terms. So meron siyang pinakamababang 4 na terms or more. So 4 terms or more is a multinomial. Example, a plus 2x plus b plus c. A plus 2x plus b plus c. So, since meron siyang 4 na terms dyan, a, 2x plus b plus c, so that is considered a multi or multinomial. Okay? I hope klaro guys. Another example is 4x cubed plus 2x squared y minus x plus 1. So, since meron siyang 4 na terms, that is considered a multinomial. Okay, so marami na siyang terms. So I hope you guys na may natutunan tayo ngayon about polynomials and kinds of polynomials. So, thank you so much guys for subscribing my YouTube channel, Alano TV Official. And kita-kita ulit tayo sa mga susunod pa na video tutorials.